Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get Shapeshift filter on TikTok. So as you can see, we're on the TikTok app. First of all, you'll want to click discover on the bottom left hand corner. Then at the top of this page you will see the search bar. Click on that, then go ahead and type in Shapeshift. Then you can search that, or it will appear at the top. You'll want to go ahead and click on the hashtag Shapeshift. You can do that by clicking at the top there, or clicking the top right hand corner to find the hashtags, then clicking on that hashtag Shapeshift. Then at the bottom center of this page you will see the red button with the video camera in it. Go ahead and click on that. Then you can click the bottom right hand corner to get a picture or video from your camera roll to use with the Shapeshifter challenge, or you can do a video just by clicking that red button there. Then you'll be able to record it yourself within there, then do the Shapeshifter effect challenge. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the TikTok app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.